Hi guys, welcome back to English class with your favorite teacher, Teacher Lenin. Well, today is Monday, February 14th, 2021, and we're starting a new week of February. Okay, so the topic that we are going to see this week is rooms of the house. Okay, and we're going to see today the house vocabulary. What are those rooms? Okay, well, let's start. First is how many parts are in your house? How many rooms do you have? Rooms are the parts of the house. Okay, a room can be outside or it can be inside your house. For example, we have the garden. The garden is the one that has flowers, grass, trees. Maybe your dog goes outside and scar and plays outside. It's the garden. The garden. It's where it's green. It's this room. It's outside the house. Okay. The next one it's the living room. The living room it's when you go with your family and watch TV, you spend time relaxing, maybe you have your video games in your living room too and you play in the living room. It's a common area where everybody can be there. Also is when you have visits, you receive them in the living room. Okay? That's the characteristic of the living room. The next one it's the dining room. Like you see, it's when the food is put, when it's cooked. You finish cooking your dinner and you put it in the dining room so everybody can eat it. It's where your family, friends, and you go and eat together. There is a table, there's a lot of chairs, and it can be next to the kitchen. Well, usually it's next to the kitchen. The next one, it's the kitchen. The kitchen is where you cook your food or your mom cooks your food for you. You can, there is the stove, the refrigerator, the microwave, the dishwasher. There's also a sink where your mom washes the dishes and stuff like that. You also have the knives, the forks, the spoons, the plates, the bowls. Yeah, it's where you take water too. You go for juice. I don't know. Maybe you like Nutella and you go and prepare yourself a sandwich of Nutella. So kitchen is where you cook your food or you make your food. The garage. The garage is easy to identify because it's where you put your car or your parents put their cars. They put it in there and close the garage or they close the door, the gate, depending on how your garage is. There's also bicycles. They save the tools that your father used, boxes and things that cannot be in the house, and they are saving. Maybe you save um, your Christmas tree in there in the garage. I don't know. Maybe. Okay, so that's the garage. The bathroom, it's easy to identify because it's where you take a shower, you go and to the bathroom and take a well, do your necessities. You wash your hands, you take a shower. Okay, it's easy. There's the sink, the bath, the shower. It's very easy. You know this. And lastly, we have the bedroom, that it's where you go and sleep or play with your toys, your change, you have your clothes, you have your toys. Some of you take classes in your bedroom. Take classes in your bedroom because I see your toys. You can also have your own TV. You have your carpet. But mostly is where you go and sleep. Okay? Easy peasy. Now I want you to think, how many rooms does your house have? Okay, think about it. It has maybe 3 bedrooms, 1 bedroom, well, 2 bedrooms. Maybe it has 5 bathrooms. I don't know. It has a garage. It doesn't have a garage. It has a garden. It doesn't have a garden. Think about it because tomorrow we're going to discuss it. And that will be all for today. Thank you for watching the video and see you tomorrow with the class. Have a nice day and thank you for watching the video.